Zhejiang Dongrun Casting Industry Company Limited was built in 2004. We have 17 years of experience in aluminum casting. No matter what type of casting process you need done, we are the right supplier for your jobs. We offer aluminum sand casting, gravity casting, low-pressure die casting, high-pressure die casting, and CNC machining. Our products include automotive parts, medical parts, lighting parts, valve parts, power line parts, and decoration. We have our own mold workshop, which can provide customers with high-quality molds and tooling. We introduced many advanced equipment, include 12 sets CNC machining center, 8 sets CNC lathe, and CMM. We have 5 production lines for large sand casting jobs up to 150 kilograms per piece and 30 platforms for smaller projects, 7 sets gravity casting machines, 1 set low-pressure casting machine. We can also provide tooling, CNC machining, polishing, pressure test, vacuum impregnation, assembly, and testing for your orders. A formal assurance program with ISO 9001 and TS 16949 certification to ensure that the finished products meet the customer's specifications. We also have international business experience, more than 15 years, so we do believe we can offer stable service to you. We are looking forward to establishing a win-win business relationship with other companies all over the world.